Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Cheryl here. So today's video I want to unbox some of the new skincare products that I received during Christmas and New Year. I was MIA for last week's video because I was under the weather. I wasn't feeling my best, lost my voice, but this week I'm back for good and I'm ready to put in the work and just, get back to the routine. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Cherilissa. I make videos about wellness, skincare, lifestyle, occasion, fashion related. If you're interested in all those content, subscribe to my channel. Also, be sure to turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever there's a new video. Without further ado, let's just jump right in. So the first one that I want to talk about, this one. This is, okay, please focus. Signature Selection Natural Stick, Mango Mist, Vanilla Luxury, Peppermint Frost, Green Tea Essence, Pomegranate Passion. Okay, what is this? All natural premium beeswax lip balms. GMO free, gluten free, paraben free, petroleum free. Okay, so I got this from my mother-in-law, if I remember right. Let's see what's really going on. Oh, there's like 5 of them. Oh! Earlier I was reading all that. Yeah, I was wondering why I was reading all the ingredients out loud, but that makes sense. So it has 5 different scent flavors. I actually love all the lip balms I get every year from my mother-in-law. I thought it's super cute. You get all these essential items like in the stocking, and these are 100% natural lip care. And speaking of lip care, we gotta talk about these. So I got these also during Christmas. I'm not sure who gave it to me. Maybe my sister-in-law. I think my sister-in-law. So these are lip exfoliating brush, 2-in-1 design. Exfoliation allows your lip moisturizer like lip balm. This is not toothbrush, but like exfoliating, the corner of your lips. And then the other side, the round side, you can just massage your lips. Pretty cool. It's not like something that I would actually imagine myself buying. If you have the luxury of time, you can grab some sugar and just like gently exfoliate your lips. Next, we're talking about a skincare product that I got from my mother-in-law. This one is by Murad Acne Control Clarifying Cleanser. I love Murad's cleanser, but this one I've never tried. Or have I? Like a long time ago, maybe I was probably early 20s. Contains 1.5% of salicylic acid. Okay, I don't think I will be using this every single day because currently my skin is not dry, but combination towards dry side. I'll probably use this more often in the summertime. I'm really excited to try this one out. This one's by Ultra MD Skincare. And this is Skin Recovery Light Moisturizer, so helps repair damaged skin barrier. I actually needed something like this. This is, if I remember correctly, I think my mother-in-law loves this brand. So yeah, I'm excited to try this product out. It's just like a light moisturizer, Let's just put this out, why not? I mean, ooh. Almost like liquid. It is very lightweight, has that kind of a lotion feel. There's no scent, great for people with sensitive skin type. I still have a little cough, but I am actually back to 100% of just energy level. I actually like this one, so excited to use this tonight. Okay, here's the last thing that I will open. K-Beauty Facial Boutique. Ooh. The 7-step Korean skincare routine for glowing skin. I think my mother-in-law got me this as well. Cute. It's like a little book. Oh my god, this is like an advent calendar. Obviously I should just open it, right? That's exciting. Ooh, what day is today? Rise and Shine Gentle Cleanser. I love that. Gentle Cleanser, my favorite. Any gentle cleanser is my favorite, and I love that's a good size. It's not just a sample size, sometimes advent calendar gives you the small, the sample size. Here I have to call out Macy's. I felt like my mother-in-law got ripped off. She got me this advent calendar that's from Macy's. Macy's ripping people off by giving out little samples. Not very nice, Macy's. Anyways, the second one. this looks like a toner, I think. This is Propolis Synergy Toner. How do you say this brand's name? It's like COSRX. I'm not very familiar with all of these Korean brands. This brand, I heard of them, but I've never used any products by this brand. Oh, it's a mask, not just one. So this is by the brand Glowiest Youthful Glow Mango Steam Mask and Peachy Glow Hydrating Mask. I'm really excited about these. I need some sheet mask. This is also by Saturday Skin Wide Awake Brightening Eye Cream. This is a good size for eye cream. Number 5. Toner? Another toner. So number 5 is another toner, and this one was also by the brand COSRX Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence. I'm excited. Like, honestly, which one should I try tonight? I'm still gonna try the light moisturizer tonight. Is that a powder? It looks like makeup, actually. Birch Juice Hydro Cream by Nature. 65% birch tree sap. Sounds very hydrating. 7. It's also by Saturday Skin's Yuzu Vitamin C Sleep Mask. I've never used anything from Saturday Skin. Why not now? You know, it's like, I'm so excited. Which one am I most excited to use right now? The Elta MD Light Moisturizer. I don't have it in hand because it rolled to the other side. Also this one, Gentle Cleanser by Saturday Skin. It's the Yuzu Vitamin C Sleep Mask. Also, oh my god, this toner, the Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence. I also want to try this lip balm too, you know. I'm most excited about Mango Mist. Kind of like a little overwhelmed, you know, with all the new skincare products. But anyways, thank you for gifting me all these new skincare products. Thank you, Tony. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome videos every Monday. Thank you for watching. I'm Cherilissa. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Thank you for watching. I am